Today, let us learn division of 3, 4, and 5-digit numbers by a 1-digit number with Miss Reem. Hello kids! Let us find the quotient of each of the following by using the short method, the quotient of 284 divided by 2. First step, divide the hundreds. We will start from the left-hand side. 2 divided by 2 equals 1. We have to put the dividend, the larger number, inside the ladder and the divisor, which is the smaller number, outside the ladder. Then here we'll put the larger number, the dividend, inside the ladder, and the smaller number, the divisor, outside the ladder. Then here 2 divided by 2 equals 1. Second step, divide the tens, which is 8. 8 divided by 2 equals 4. Third step, divide the units, which is 4. 4 divided by 2 equals 2. Then look at these steps to answer the following. We start from the left-hand side. 2 divided by 2 equals 1. Here 8 divided by 2 equals 4. And finally 4 divided by 2 equals 2. Then the quotient of 284 divided by 2 equals 142. So look at these steps. We first divide the hundreds, starting from the left, and then divide the tens, which is 8, and finally divide the units, and we get the quotient. In this example, we have 369 divided by 3. This means we have here 3 values in 369. First value is 300 divided by 3. Second value 60 divided by 3. Third value 9 divided by 3. 300 divided by 3 equals 100. 60 divided by 3 equals 20. And 9 divided by 3 equals 3. Then our quotient is 123. Then by our shortest method, by using the ladder, 3 divided 3 equals 1, 6 divided 3 equals 2, 9 divided 3 equals 3. It's the same answer and the same quotient, 123 in the two methods. Next here, in this example, 1 divided by 5, it can be, and the number inside the ladder must be greater than the divisor. So, in that case, we will put 0 up, but here 0 haven't no value, so we haven't to put it, and take the second number, which is 15, to make it a little bit bigger, as 5 times 3 equals 15. So 15 divided by 5 equals 3. Then 0 divided by 5 equals 0. 0 divided any number equals 0. 1 divided by 5, it can be. When I said it can be, I must to put 0 up and take the second number. But here I have to put 0 as it have a value. Then I will take 1 with 5, it will be 15. And 15 divided by 5 equals 3. First, 8 divided by 4 equals 2. 4 divided by 4 equals 1. 0 divided by 4 equals 0. And 0 divided by 4 equals 0. Extra zeros up. Second, 5 divided by 5 equals 1. 2 divided by 5, it can be 0 up and take the second number. So 25 divided by 5 equals 5. Third, 3 divided by 3 equals 1. And 2 zeros, extra zeros up as 0 divided 3, 0. Here 1 divided 6, it can be 0 up and take the second number. 0 have no value. 18 divided by 6 equals 3. And 6 divided by 6 equals 1. Here 8 divided by 4 equals 2. And 4 divided by 4 equals 1. And 2 extra zeros up. 1 divided by 4, it can be 0 up but have no value. I will take the second number. 16 divided 4 equals 4. 1 divided by 4, it can be 0 up but I must write it, it have a value. So I write 0. Take the second number. 12 divided by 4 equals 3. 2 divided by 6, it can be 0 up but have no value. Take the second number. 24 divided 6 equals 4. 0 divided 6 equals 0. And 6 divided 6 equals 1. 1 divided 2, it can be 0 up and take the second number. 0 have no value. 12 divided 2 equals 6. 0 divided 2 equals 0. And 1 divided 2 can be, I will put 0 up and take the second number. 12 divided 2 equals 6. Finally, and the last one, 1 divided 8, it can be 0 up but have no value. I will take the second number. 16 divided 8 equals 2. 6 divided 8, it can be 0 up and take the second number. 64 divided 8 equals 8. Let us study about division of 4 and 5-digit numbers by 2-digit numbers. Let us solve an example to understand division of 4-digit numbers by 2-digit numbers. Divide 4,358 by 12. To solve this simple division, there are 5 steps. Step number 1 is to compare the digits. We compare the leftmost digit. We compare the thousand, which is 4, with the divisor 12. As 4 is smaller than 12, we compare the hundreds in the dividend with the divisor. Here 43 is greater than 12. Now we can divide 43 by 12. So step 2 is to divide here. As the divisor is 12, we use the table of 12 to find a product which is equal to or less than and nearest to 43. So the nearest product is 36. Hence we write 3 in the quotient up. Step 3 is to multiply 12 by 3. As we know, 12 by 3 is equals to 36. We write 36 under 43. Step 4 is to subtract 36 from 43, which is equals to 7. Now, step 5 is to bring down the next digit, that's 5. After bringing down the digit, we repeat steps 1 to 5 till there are no more digits to bring down. So here we again compare 75 and 12. Here 75 is greater than 12. so we can divide 75 by 12. The nearest product to 75 in the table of 12 is 72. So we write 6 in the quotient up and 72 under 75. Next, subtract 72 from 75, which is equals to 3. Now, bring down the next digit, that is 8. So, we again compare 38 and 12. Here, 38 is greater than 12. So we can divide 38 by 12. The nearest product in the table of 12 to 38 is 36. We write 3 in the quotient up and 36 under 38. Next, subtract 36 from 38, which is equals to 2. Now, as there are no more digits to bring down, we have finished our division. Thus, we get the quotient as 363 and the remainder as 2. Now, let us solve division of 5-digit numbers by 2-digit numbers. Divide 25,626 by 16. Step number 1. We compare the leftmost digit, that is the 10,000ths in the dividend, with the divisor 2. It is smaller than 16. So now compare the thousandths in the dividend with the divisor. Yes, 25 is greater than 16. We can proceed to the second step here. As the divisor is 16, we use the table of 16 such that the product is equal to or less than and nearest to 25. So the nearest product is 16. Hence, we write 1 in the quotient up and 16 below 25. Now, subtract 16 from 25, which is equals to 9. Now, next step is to bring down the next digit, that is 6. After bringing down the digit, we again compare 96 and 16. Here, 96 is greater than 16. So, we can divide 96 by 16. As we know, 16 times 6 is equals to 96. Write 6 in the quotient up and subtract 96 from 96 to get 0. Now, bring down the next digit, that's 2. Now, 2 is smaller than 16, so it can be. When I said it can be, we will write 0 in the quotient up. Therefore, subtract 0 from 2, which is equals to 2. Now, bring down the next digit, that's 6. Now, compare 26 and 16. Here, 26 is greater than 16. So, we can divide 26 by 16. The nearest product to 16. So, we write, the nearest product is 16, so we write 1 in the quotient up. Now, subtract 16 from 26, which is equals to 10. Now, the quotient is 1,601 and the remainder is 10. Wasn't it fun? Learning division of 4 and 5-digit numbers by 2-digit numbers. Thanks for watching and goodbye.